Hey guys, welcome back to David's Tutorials, and today I'll show you how to close and delete your Robinhood account in 2025 step by step. So first, before you can do anything, you need to close all your open positions. This means selling any stocks, crypto, or options you still own. Then withdraw your remaining balance so your account shows $0. Once that's done, here's how to deactivate your account. Open the Robinhood app, tap the account icon, that little person on the bottom right, then tap the menu icon, the three bars, go to settings, then tap deactivate account. The app will walk you through closing any positions or transferring funds if you miss something. Once everything's cleared, you can confirm your deactivation. Just a heads up, once your account is closed, you won't be able to log back in or get your tax documents. So make sure to download anything important first. And that's it, you're officially done with Robinhood. That's all for now. Thanks for watching David's Tutorials.